Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Spring Has Sprung Quartet from Painted Polish. There are 4 polishes here. They are all different shades of Crelly with multi-chrome flakies. So these are available right now. I will link the Painted Polish website down below. I do have a discount code as well, which I will put down in a linked comment and in the description box because I usually forget it. I think it's 10% off. And I will get into the swatches. So the first polish is called Bloomin Bluebells, and this is a light baby blue with these green to gold color shifting multi-chrome flakies. So this one is a little bit sheer on that first coat. It is a Crelly, so that's kind of to be expected. Lots of flakies in here. And these multi-chrome flakies do lay relatively flat. I would suggest top coat anyway, but they're not going to stick up or be really textured on the nail. And good formula on this one. This one does cover completely for me in 2 coats. There are a lot of flakies in here which help build that up really nicely. I do think it's right on the edge of needing 3, just depending on your application. You might have some more sheer spots that you'd want to cover up with a 3rd coat, but it's good for me in 2. So that is 2 coats of Bloomin Bluebells. The next polish is called Minty Meadows, and this is kind of a turquoise Crelly base with those green to gold shifting multi-chrome flakies. This does seem a little bit more sheer than the last polish in the base. A good amount of flakies though, and good formula on this one as well. So like the last one, this does cover completely for me in 2 coats, but I think it's pretty close to needing a 3rd. Just depending on your application, you might, just like the last polish, have some slightly uneven spots. But it's looking pretty good for me in 2. So that is 2 coats of Minty Meadows. The next polish is called Blushin Blossom, and this is a very light pink Crelly with those green, gold, and I just noticed a little bit of blue in these flakies as well, color shifting flakies. So this one is also a little bit sheer on that first coat, but not bad. A lot of flakies in this one as well. These polishes all have been relatively the same as far as formula and application and the amount of flakies that's in them and all of that. Good formula on this one as well. This one also covers completely in 2 coats. Because this is a more neutral, close to my skin tone color for me, it's much harder to pick out any uneven spots that might be there. So I think this one is a more solid 2-coater than the other polishes in the collection, but that again is also going to depend on your application. So that is 2 coats of Blushin Blossom. And the last polish is called Lavender Lush, and this is a lavender Crelly base with those blue to green to gold shifting multi-chrome flakies. This one is, I would say, more sheer than the others, closer to the level of Minty Meadows, which is a bit more sheer than the others, but Minty Meadows still built up in 2 coats. And good formula on this one as well. This one does cover for me in 2 coats, but I do think out of all of them, this is the closest to needing a 3rd coat. I'm trying to do a pretty careful application here on the 2nd coat just to make sure I don't need to add a 3rd. So again, it's just going to depend on your application and your preference. So that is 2 coats of Lavender Lush. So I think my favorite is going to be Minty Meadows. This is my kind of shade, and so obviously my eyes are immediately drawn to this one. So that is my favorite. So again, that is the Spring Has Sprung Quartet from Painted Polish. I will link the website down below so you guys can check those out. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.